What's behind the curtain that's been here the whole time? How have I been too shy to pull it aside, to see the beam of sunshine that's bright like a laser of light to highlight the world inside of me. I step into the outside. There's no reason to hide in this outgrown shell that never satisfied me. I'm the beam of sunshine that's bright like this laser of light to highlight the world outside.